This is Andrew from Email Marketing NYC, and today I'll show you how to review your sign up form metrics. A few months ago, Klaviyo released custom sign up forms, and a few weeks ago they added sign up form data to their analytic dashboard, where you can view how many people viewing, how many people opting in, how many people unsubscribing. So let's go to your Klaviyo account, and on Klaviyo account you click on analytics, and here you have one of the options like form or review, forms or review. And now you can see, let's say, I don't know, like this month, you can see how many people view your form. So like in general, the form showed up for this many people's, how many people engage, and how average daily form engagement. And here's like more statistics. Depend also like it's people viewing more on mobile or on desktop, and by that you can maybe revise where you show your forms. So this is a statistic for you to use. Oh, by the way, so average, what does engagement rate mean? So basically the opt-in rate. I mean, on a Klaviyo form, you can have, you might not have the opt-in form, just redirect link, so that consider as engagement as well. But if you have simple opt-in, this is your opt-in, like average daily opt-in rate. And this is how many people opted in the last month. And this is unsubscribe rate for that specific for those forms. Please let me know if you have any additional questions about this video or any other video I produce, or any questions about Klaviyo. Thank you.